How to fulfill orders on Shopify mobile app. Fulfilling orders on the Shopify mobile app is simple and efficient. Start by opening the Shopify app on your phone and logging into your store. From the dashboard, tap Orders to view a list of recent purchases. Select the specific order you want to fulfill. Review the order details to confirm everything is correct, then tap the Mark as Fulfilled button. If you're shipping with a tracking number, you can enter the tracking details and carrier information before confirming. Once you've marked the order as fulfilled, Shopify will automatically notify the customer that their item is on the way, along with the tracking link if provided. If you're using a third-party shipping service or app integration, some of this process may be automated. Fulfilling orders promptly through the mobile app helps you manage your business on the go and keeps your customers informed and satisfied with timely updates. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.